Okay, guys, this is one of my favorite songs. One of Karan's favorite songs, actually. It's a feeling I share for you guys. It's called Lag Ja Gale. I'm gonna sing 3 lines, okay? Chalo for. Okay. Okay, here goes. हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से.
लग जा गल, you know, like that. फिर आपके नसीब में आपके नॉट सेइंग. Sing it, sing it, sing it.
फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Tara. Thank you.
This has been the best day of my life. Thank you so much, Karan. I'm so excited.
All right, lovely. And we're very excited to have you in the film, and we look forward to lots more work in the company and see you shine everywhere.
Thank you.
Ananya, I can't believe that I'm seeing you on stage. Like, I feel like I'm getting all kinds of daddy feelings here because I've literally seen Ananya play in this little garden at Mannat, running around with the other kids, with Aryan and Suhana and everybody else. And now she's here looking beautiful and a lead actress in this film. What is it feeling like, Ananya?
It feels like a dream. I've seen so many interviews of other people at their trailer launches, and I've just like, I can't imagine that I'm here, and this feels so weird, like everyone's like this during trailer launches, and it's actually like that, so I just have no words. I'm just too excited. I hope you all enjoyed the trailer.
They are enjoying. They're enjoying as we speak. And Tiger, we saved the best for now. Tiger, like I said, that you know, you're so strong in your skill set and everything you do. When you face the camera, it's like you were born for it. And today when you see yourself up there, what does it feel like with all the love coming your way as well?
First of all, you know, I want to thank all of you for, you know, giving me so much more than I deserve. So thank you all for the love. And it's because of you that, you know, I have the strength to fly. So thank you so much for being my strength. It feels, I truly don't believe that I was born for this. I've really put in a lot of effort, and, you know, I credit it all to the people I work with, my team. For example, in this case, you and Puneet, and of course the dynamic duo over here. So it's a huge team effort, and I'm very, very grateful that I've got this opportunity to finally work with Dharma. It's my first film, and what better film than Student of the Year to start off my collaboration with you. So,
all right, Tiger.
I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank
okay,
you.
now that's Tiger saying all the right things. Now we've got to get some wrong things out of him as well, okay? That's our endeavor today, which I tried very hard on 2 seasons of my show. I managed a little bit on the 2nd season because he was squeezed between these 2 wonderful girls. And was that a good feeling, Tiger, before I opened it up the house? What was their dynamic like in your life? Such a serious thought before such a...
No, it was genuinely, I had a lot of fun. I felt like I wasn't working with I wasn't working with 2 newcomers. They're just so, you know.
Who was more fun?
Who was more fun? Both of them have their, you know, moments.
Which
glory.
moment with who did you like the most?
Puneet, you want to answer this for me?
Puneet has had his fair share of moments, but with with other people. We won't talk about Puneet.
Yeah, that's not fair. Tiger enjoyed the moment. He should answer this.
All right, we won't put him on the spot anymore. I think if he blushes anymore, it'll look like he look one big tomato. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and members of the media, I'm going to open the questions to all of you. Here we have the producers, the director, and the wonderful lead cast of Student of the Year.
Ananya and Tara.
Hi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ananya and Tara, आपके right में. Hi. सबसे पहले तो आज का दिन कितना खास है आप लोगों के लिए एंड इस दिन का कितना बेसब्री से इंतजार था अनन्या एंड तारा जी.
Firstly, I just want to thank the media and all the photographers. You all have been so kind to me and so warm towards me. So thank you so much. And this day, honestly, it's like a dream. I still feel like I'm going to wake up in the morning and like, I don't know, this is not going to be real. So this is very, very, very surreal for me. And I'm just too grateful to Karan and to Puneet and I just have...
As long as you keep coming out of airports and gyms, the photographers and members of the media will be very kind to you. Don't worry about it. Just keep that exit going. All right, Tara.
No, I think, like Ananya said, hum sab ke liye, today has been so special. बहुत ही खास दिन है हम सब के लिए. We're very excited. I'm so happy to see the reaction of everyone to the trailer, and we're just so excited for the film. So thank you guys so much for coming out today. It means the world.
एंड टाइगर जी बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रेलर है, लेकिन जब भी कोई लड़की आपको प्रिंसेस बुलाती है तो क्या फीलिंग होती है?
देखो मुझे तो आदत है बचपन से मैं मेरी बहन के साथ बहुत झगड़ता था तो you know she used to bully me in you know these ways, so yeah, it's not the first time.
Yeah, Tiger this side. Tiger this
Sorry,
side.
कहाँ पर मैम?
Yeah, इधर.
Yeah, hi.
मेरा प्रश्न ये है कि इस तरीके की जो मतलब इस क्योंकि लोगों ने स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर पहला सीरीज देखा, ये दूसरा है, तो इसमें एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है कि आपको उससे इसको और भी बेटर करना है. तो आपने उसको कैसे किया और क्या आपकी तरफ से क्या तैयारियां थी?
देखो बेटर तो मैं कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहूँगा. हम लोग एक अलग पिक्चर बनाए ऑल टुगेदर. आई थिंक यू विल हैव द फ्लेवर्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर वन डेफिनेटली, बट टू ऐड टू दैट I've done my best to bring in what you know people know me for, and I've sort of gotten little tigerism to my character, and I'm very thankful to Puneet who gave me a lot of scope to you know express myself in that manner. And इस film में अगर आपने trailer में note किया तो the sports that we have are very different. We're introducing kabaddi, I think, for the first time on celluloid in Bollywood. So I think that's a very interesting world. Thank you. So yeah, that's all.
Hi everyone, Bhavna this side from Zee on your left. Hi, very cool trailer. हाँ, congratulations. Usually जब हम सुपरस्टार्स की फिल्म सिंगल स्क्रीन पे देखने जाते हैं तो डायलॉग्स नहीं सुनाई देते थैंक्स टू विसल एंड हूटिंग, और वो ये ट्रेलर में हुआ. इतना एक्सपेक्ट किया था आप लोगों ने? हाउ इज दिस फीलिंग?
Who are you asking, man?
All of us.
डायलॉग किसने बोले थे? तुमने मैक्सिमम तुम नहीं बोले थे, तुम ही जवाब दे दो. मेरे डायलॉग पे कोई तालियां नहीं दे.
Well, it's a fantastic feeling. Again, I'd like to credit the makers for that. It was Puneet's brainchild, and you know this line "Din tera tha, saal mera hoga" was stemmed from him. So thank you, Puneet sir, for giving me that dialogue.
I also want to tell you the film is co-directed by Tiger. So,
yeah, so I wanted to get to that, ma'am. Can I just take a question in as well?
Do not believe all of this.
So I just want to know behind this, and I'm going to ask the girls and Puneet this. Behind this good boy visage, what's really ticking?
It's the biggest scam. It's the biggest scam.
It's the
Karan,
it's a scam. Let the girls answer. हाँ, क्या है ये good boy? एकदम सच्चाई है, reality है?
सच्चाई नहीं है, इसके पीछे काफी चीजें हैं जो मतलब ये दिखाता नहीं है.
एक सेकंड, आपको क्या लगता है? आपको लगता है ये झूठ है?
You can't do that.
Thank you. I love you guys.
That's not fair. That's not fair.
हाँ, आप बोलिए.
He is very sweet, I would say that, but he is also very naughty. I think if you leave him with his boys,
The biggest brat in Student of the Year is Tiger Shroff.
Puneet Malhotra.
Karan, in Coffee with Karan episode, we saw their chemistry, girls' chemistry, but there were a lot about Puneet also, but he was not there. What was it? Tigers and Puneet chemistry.
Tiger and Puneet ki chemistry.
We share a very, very good
They
relationship.
see, there is romance between the three of them. There's bromance there. So it's a full kind of bromance meets romance on set and behind the scenes happening. When you see the film, you'll get the vibe as to what I mean. And I think this is the first time Tiger worked with a director that was closer to his age bracket, I think.
Younger.
A lot of you guys don't know Puneet sir was actually an actor. He came to be a hero before he became a director. So
And if you notice, there is full sarcasm on this face when he says it.
No,
Which
really,
you're not
you can
catching.
see
तो
his
कई बार
ads
ऐसा
on
होता
YouTube.
था कि you know every time we give our shots, there's a rehearsal before the take. So Puneet sir used to stand in for me and give my shots alongside. You know, अगर romantic scene होता था तो you know
Not the romantic scenes.
Yeah,
No.
Ananya के सामने. He used to perform, and then I used to come in and do the take.
And apparently he took very long in the rehearsals. Is it true?
There were quite a few takes for the
Okay,
rehearsals.
all right,
yeah.
okay. Yeah.
Tiger,
you're left.
Tiger, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. Hi.
हाँ जी, hi.
First of all, congratulations to all of you for the fantastic trailer. मेरा आपसे सवाल ये, you are the newest student of the batch. मतलब इस franchise को अगर हम batch की तरह बोले.
All three of us.
Yeah, all three of us. So मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि अगर पिछले batch से अगर वरुण और सिद्धार्थ के साथ आपको competition करना पड़े, तो कौन से ऐसे वो खेल होंगे जिसमें आप उनके साथ compete करना चाहोगे, आप challenge करना चाहोगे? And you can't be like, I can't compete with them. You have to say
why can't he be?
अरे
किसने बनाए?
अरे he is the fittest of all the students.
ये अच्छा, you can't be.
अरे he is the fittest student.
Sir,
Sir, he is the fittest student. Come on.
I think Tiger had a bit of a advantage in this case. Actually, Varun and Sid together could romance one girl, and he could romance two.
Yeah.
So that was a big one.
Yeah, but about sports, kabaddi.
Yeah, but he's
running,
saying who would you like to take on?
Which sport? I
No,
think
no. Who? Which one of them would you like to
which
take
one
on?
and which sport also?
Ah, अच्छा, okay.
I'd like to take on Varun in probably the dance competition and the athletics. Or I think Siddharth would be a good challenge if he was there for kabaddi.